everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to add ATA date to a job or shipment in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Open the respective job or shipment. Now, we will be navigated to the job screen. Here we have to click on the edit button. On the job info page, we can see the ATA date column. There, we have to provide the date. After providing the ATA date, click on the Save Changes button. Now, the ATA date will be added to the job screen. This is how to add ATA date to a job or shipment in Fresh application. Thanks for watching.